how to add social media link in WordPress. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your WordPress, and on the left hand side panel you should be able to see the option of plugins. Simply open up the plugin and select the option of add a new plugin, and over here you need to search for lightweight social icons and hit enter. Then wait for it to load, and you would be able to find this one, and it is by Thomas Usborne, and it has 4.8 of rating. Simply open it up and activate it. After you activate it, you would be able to see it on the left hand side panel. Simply go to the section of appearance, and over here you should be able to find the option of widgets. Simply open up your widget. Since I'm completely new to this WordPress website or this account of WordPress, that's why widgets is not there for me, but for you it should be there. Open up widgets, and in your widgets just simply go to any section of your website where you want to add the social media icons. Usually people prefer to add it in the footer, so simply go to the footer and click on the plus icon. Over there search for lightweight, and you should be able to see it. Simply click on it, and after that select any social media that you want to add, and also just copy the social media profile of yours and paste the link over there, and after that save it. And after that people will be redirected from your website to your social media, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.